Today, we will talk about the headline effect. The subject is the impact of negative news on markets and consumer behavior. The headline effect refers to the impact that negative news in the popular press has on a corporation or an economy. For example, when there's negative news in the headlines, consumers tend to be more reluctant to spend money. When there's negative news in the headlines, the investing public's reaction can be very dramatic and out of proportion compared to the reaction to good news. This can lead to traders and investors reacting disproportionately to bad news by converting, selling, or shorting funds away from affected investments. There are several possible explanations for the headline effect. First, media sensationalism may be responsible, as attention-grabbing headlines generate more clicks, resulting in more prominent coverage of negative news. Additionally, risk aversion and loss aversion can also play a role, as people tend to weigh potential dangers and losses more heavily in their decision-making. Finally, institutional factors that bias businesses and fiduciaries toward caution may also contribute to the headline effect. An example of the headline effect is the media's extensive coverage of the impact of rising gas prices on consumers, leading to more cautious discretionary spending. Another example is the effect of the Greek debt crisis on the value of the euro, which affected not only the eurozone but also countries outside the eurozone relying on trade with it. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. The headline effect refers to the observation that negative news tends to have a proportionally more pronounced effect on prices and markets than positive news. 2. Potential explanations for the headline effect include media sensationalism, risk and loss aversion, and prudential institutional bias. 3. Examples of the headline effect include the change in consumer discretionary spending resulting from gasoline price changes and the impact of the Greek debt crisis on the value of the euro. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.